Dua, it's raining so much. I wish we could go outside and play.
Totally. Let's go on a resource hunt. Right here, in the house. Yup. I'll give you clues about important resources we use every day, and you have to find something in the house that matches. Ready? First clue, I'm bright, I'm warm, and I help plants grow. What am I?
That's sunlight.
Exactly. Water is super important, not just for plants, but for animals, people, and even cleaning and cooking.
I always turn off the tap while brushing. That helps, right?
Just remember, use what you need, not more than that.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Ever wonder what would happen if we used up all our water or trees? Let's dive into a world where smart choices keep Earth happy and full of surprises.
Dua, it's raining so much. I wish we could go outside and play. Yeah, it's kind of boring being stuck inside. Can we do something fun instead?
Totally. Let's go on a resource hunt. Right here, in the house.
Wait, a resource hunt? Indoors?
Yup. I'll give you clues about important resources we use every day, and you have to find something in the house that matches. Ready?
Yes. Let's do it.
First clue, I'm bright, I'm warm, and I help plants grow. What am I?
That's sunlight.
Correct. We can't bring sunlight inside, but can you find something that uses sunlight?
The plant on the windowsill. It uses sunlight to grow.
Awesome. Plants use sunlight through something called photosynthesis. And sunlight is a renewable resource. It never runs out.
So we should use it wisely instead of switching on lights during the daytime.
Exactly, Sorrow.
Hasib, whoa! That water is splashing everywhere, even onto the sidewalk. Yeah, I think the sidewalk's getting a surprise shower. Looks like the flowers are getting a drink, and the concrete too.
Oops, that's not so great. Plants need water, but the sidewalk doesn't. If water spills where it's not needed, that's wasting it.
So it's like giving a bath to someone who doesn't even get dirty?
Exactly. Water is super important, not just for plants, but for animals, people, and even cleaning and cooking.
I always turn off the tap while brushing. That helps, right?
Totally. Even small things like that make a big difference. Every drop we save helps Earth stay healthy.
Then I'm going to be a water-saving hero.
You already are. Just remember, use what you need, not more than that.
I got it.
Now it's the time for quiz. Which of the following helps us save natural resources? Option A, leaving the water running while brushing teeth. Option B, turning off the lights when you leave the room. Think about actions that help save water, energy, or other things we need. Option B is correct. Turning off the lights when you leave the room helps us save natural resource. When we use natural resources carefully and don't waste them, it's called Option A, pollution. Option B, conservation. Excellent. Option B is correct. Conservation means taking care of nature's gifts. Which picture shows a good way to protect natural resources? Option A, a kid throwing plastic bottles into the river. Option B, a kid planting a tree. Think of an action that helps nature grow and stay healthy. Good job! Option B is correct. Throwing away paper without recycling it can waste natural resources. Is this statement true or false? Perfect. This statement is true. If we waste natural resources today, they will always come back by tomorrow. Is this statement true or false? This statement is false. Good job, kids! Next time, we're jumping into the world of producers and consumers. Yep, it's gonna be tasty and tricky. Until then, keep your eyes peeled for where your food comes from and who's behind the scenes making it all happen. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.